Today I will be showing you the Skyrover Night Vision, and make sure when you read the word night vision, the night is a horse kind of night before you get too disappointed that it does not have a camera or anything. This is a pretty good helicopter. It's the pros are that it got this nice tail protection. I don't know really what it is, but I think it's some tail protection. An radiator, I don't know what to say, how to call that. Anyway, it could have been something like when it bounces back at landing, it doesn't hit the motor or something, and it stops and it keeps it flat. And it's got a easy control, and it's hard to fly and easy to fly because it's got a spring load on the throttle, and so when you let it go, it falls down immediately. It becomes easy with that thing after you get the hang of that. And let me think of another. So it's got a nice big landing pad. So it sits nicely there. And it's got these trim buttons, so in case your helicopter rotates automatically. And it's got a speed switch. It goes pretty fast. I can't even tell if it's working or not. And the instructions didn't tell me anything about these things. That's probably a con. They marked it, but did not tell me what it was. So I suspect that's a speed switch. And the right one's the trim, and I suspect the left one is the trim. I mean the speed. Now trim, like I said, it stops from rotating. It's 2 arrows to make it spin one way to make it balance. Now in other ways, this is like a normal helicopter. It's stable and easy to fly with, and I guess we should show how it flies now. It's got that little LED there. I'm not really sure you can see it in there. Not really sure it's going to be so easy. Nope, that was peeled, and then I can. Look at that! See it flying up there. Pretty high. I'm barely even pushing it up right there. So we're just flying at a good height. So you can turn it. There, I didn't have much space to make it move. And let's take it into a landing. See how it lands. And pretty cool, isn't it? It can rotate on the floor. So when you push it, it can't even take off. And then you can push it to the left. See that little pillar on the back? When you move it, the pillar spins when you open it, you can move it forward or backwards. One thing I have to say is be careful. They say it can fly up to 18 feet. That's what they said. They said it flies up to 18 feet. There are helicopters that are actually twice as big as this one. This is basically just a regular Skyrover helicopter. Like one. And be careful, do not cover these things. These are the infrared transmitters that transmit signals to the helicopter. That's how the helicopter gets its command. Yeah, I guess. Take it in for a nice little landing. Now do not land it too fast, okay? Else then I don't think it will do so good if you land it a bit too fast. And I guess, yeah, I guess that's a nice helicopter. And I hope you liked it.